David played and pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor falls and the major lift. The baffled king composed an Alleluia, Alleluia, Alleluia.